Adam with Seaside Vacations. I'm just south of the Avalon Pier at the 5th Street Beach Access in Kill Devil Hills this morning with your beach report for Tuesday, June 26th. We got a gorgeous day, but it's a bit windy, so I'll make this quick. Hope you can hear me through the wind cutting through the microphone. But it's going to be a pretty day. Temps around 80 degrees. The wind's going to be howling on the board, 20 miles per hour. That'll stay with us all day. Some swells, so there'll be some decent-sized waves today. The wind's going to fade by the end of the day. Unfortunately, the swell's probably going to fade with it. There might be a chance that we'll have some decent surf tomorrow. The wind's going to switch offshore, so we'll clean it up. But traditionally, with wind swell, it fades pretty quickly. So looks like we'll have pretty much a longboard wave for the rest of the week. The wind's going to stay offshore. The weather's going to be gorgeous. Upper 80s. The wind's going to back off. It'll be on the southwest, northwest, so it'll be offshore all week. And we'll have plenty of sun. So it'll be a great week to be down here. Unfortunately, a little windy today, but it's a nice warm wind and a pretty day. As for fishing, fishing's going great. A wide variety of fish. Blue, speckled trout, sea mullet, Spanish mackerel, croaker, flounder, black trout, pompano, some cobia showing up. Offshore, there's still steam mahi, tuna. It's a great time to be down here fishing. If you're thinking about coming down, please give us a look at OuterBanksVacations.com. I'll give you a peek at the beach. We've got a whole bunch of people out here just enjoying the morning